to be starting off by talking about the sun, moon, and earth. At the end of the speech, if you get any of the questions right, you will say on the board, you will get a fruit by the foot roll up. And I will give you and make your own solar system models. So let's begin. Earth is a planet that is almost 5 billion years old. For the last 200 billion years, life has existed on the planet. This is because Earth has the sun, water, an atmosphere, and a suitable climate. Earth's atmosphere is like a clear blue bubble around the planet, keeping poisonous gases and acid rains out. Long ago, scientists discovered that the Earth was about 60 million years old. An object in space or an explosion hit the planet and knocked a chunk of Earth off, which created the moon. The moon is an orb which circles around Earth every 24 hours. In 1969, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz were the first humans to ever step on the moon for the first time. The rocks on the moon have been discovered to be nearly identical to the rocks on the Earth. The moonlight we see is a reflection from the sun. The sun is a star about 4.5 billion years old. As the sun provides Earth light and warmth. As the sun gets older, it will get bigger and eat up some of the inner planets, possibly Earth, and life in the future will not exist. The sun is only halfway through its life. Also, there are solar flares. Solar flares are caused by sunspots, and sunspots are areas on the sun that don't receive as much heat and energy. This causes areas nearby to build up so much heat and energy that it produces a solar flare. Also, every 11 years, after the sun goes through its 11-year cycle, there is a solar storm producing lots of solar flares and solar activity. Some contrasts and similarities between the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The Earth has a breathable atmosphere. The Moon and Sun do not have an atmosphere. The Earth has a suitable climate for people to live on. The Moon and Sun do not have a suitable climate for people to live on. The Moon ranges in temperatures from the coldest being 170 degrees negative to the highs of 265 degrees. The Sun ranges in temperatures from 5,700 degrees on the surface to 10,000 degrees. The Sun is 110 times wider than the Earth in diameter. The Earth is about 4 times wider than the Moon in diameter. In conclusion, some interesting facts are that the Sun's gravity pull keeps the Earth and all the other planets orbiting around it. If we did not have the Sun, all the planets would just end up floating off into space. Earth rotates around the Sun every 365 days. The Moon rotates around the Earth every 24 hours. In conclusion, some interesting facts are that, we use this orbiting system to keep track of Earth's days and years. Okay, how old was the Earth when the Moon was created?
60 million.
Yes. And what year did Edwin Buzz go to the Moon? Yes.
1969.
Yes. And how hot can the surface of the Sun get? See. Yes. What is a sunspot? The hottest area of the Sun, the area with most amount of energy, or the area with least amount of energy? Rachel.
B?
No. It's good. Haley. No. It's good. Yes. The area with the least amount of heat and energy. Now, you all can grab a fruit by the foot roll off, only one. And here is how many of your own solar system. What?
Is Pluto still a planet?
No. No. It's considered a dwarf planet.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the most important thing about
Oh.
that there's not 7 planets.
What do you think of me?
Okay. There's really nothing. And what there's one that's really awesome. I don't. Can you eat?
What?
Wow.
Yeah. You're allowed to eat those.
Wow, Rachel. And then you please.
You're already eating it. It's like a bite.
Let's hope the answer is yes.
I like the light.
Nicholas, that was awesome. Take a bow. Good job.